Hey guys, today's video is going to be about how I do my natural makeup. Starting off, I'm tying my hair away from my face so none of my makeup gets in my hair. That'd be a disaster. I am still using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, normal to oily skin. I'm going to go ahead and pour some on my hand and just blend. I look so freaking pale on here. I will be going in with the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer and conceal everything I feel like that needs to be concealed. Moving on to eyeshadow, I will be using the Pacifica Tomboy Vibe eyeshadow palette. I will be going in with a regular eyeshadow brush. I will be going in with the shade Tomboy and just applying it all over my lid. Next, I will be applying School to my waterline. And going ahead and taking Tomboy again, blending it in with that other shade. I did notice that there's like a little bit of like white stuff in my nose. Don't mind that, it's because I've been sick. Then I will be taking in Tomboy and applying it in the inner corner of my eye just to give it some pop of color. I am still using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And I'm going to add a different mascara, which is the Maybelline Total Temptation. Combining both mascaras, this is how it's going to look. For highlight, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Thorn to Be Wild Cheek Duo in the shade Blow Me Out. It is a really nice neutral brown, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Now for blush, I'm going to be using that same ColourPop Thorn to Be Wild Cheek Duo. And the blush's name that I'm going to be using is called Quarters. This color is more like a soft reddish pink tone to it, and go ahead and blend that in. Finally, to tie the whole look together, I'm going to be using 0.0 lipstick from ColourPop. There you have it, the final look. It looks so effortless, so beautiful, so chic for natural look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.